Hey guys, this is the first JavaScript principles tutorial video, and in this video we will start from Hello World program on JavaScript. And in the next video we will talk about JavaScript syntaxes, its variables, type of data, loops, functions, arrays, and something else. And before starting, we have to think why JavaScript was created. What was the mission of JavaScript? What was the aim of it? And it was an era of browsers when the browsers were static, without any interactivity, without animations or something else. It was more than 20 years ago, and JavaScript was created to do more interactivity in browsers. Now it works not just in browsers, but commonly we can think that JavaScript is the language for front-end for browsers. And backend languages are Node.js, it's a JavaScript platform, C#, Java, PHP, and something else. Okay, let's start from creating our first JavaScript program, Hello World program. We can open our browser. I use Chrome, and you can use Edge, Firefox, or something else, in other browsers. And we can write our programs on JavaScript just in browser. How can we do it? We can open a console in browsers. To open it, you can press button F12 on your keyboard or use menu in browser. I use this menu, more tools, and developer tools, or F12 button. Okay, as the console was opened, and we can write our code, JavaScript code, just in console. For Hello World, we can write just one string, alert. It's a special function for showing information on the screen. Use rounded brackets and put your message inside these brackets. For example, it is Hello World, and in the end of the expression, of the code expression, we have to put a semicolon. Yeah, we can put, or we can not. We can print or not print this semicolon, but Google Style Guide for JavaScript says that you have to print to write it in every expression at the end of the expression. Okay, how can we run it? Just print, just click enter button on your keyboard. Here we see the separate window. It's a modal or dialog window with the message Hello World. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks.